Hi YouTubers and modelers, JDCap26 here, and I hope you can hear me loud and clear. We got another model to do today, and we got McCoy. There he is. This is from AMT, and let's open her up. Same side. I'm not sure how to open this up. Oh, there's a seam right there. So let's just get this plastic off. 12 inches tall. That's pretty tall. And this opens up like this. Get the contents out. Wow, comes with a base too. That's excellent. These are all the parts. Some information, Star Trek or Star Trek. And I was wondering, I had a couple of these that I had in my parts, and I wondered where they were coming from. These are a base. Cool. Okay. Arm. Leg. Body. Another arm. Head. And hands. So we've got to trim these with a knife. We may just use this knife right here. Put my glasses on. See right here, there's a line you want to trim to. Okay. Got to trim this. I advise trim this first right here. So trim this out in here. Okay. But really, if you wanted to snap together and move, you could do that. You know, some of these you could snap together and move it a little bit, but basically leave that solid for now. We're going to leave that solid. We're just going to cut this piece right here. So we'll get back to you. So we get all trimmed up for the right arm here. And it's trimmed up. You're just going to glue it on. And you see that notch there? You want to take the notch out right there. You can see that. So I'm going to do all the parts now, and then I'm going to assemble it. So we're going to glue some parts on here. And put his hand on. Put some glue in there. See if we can glue his hand on. And I'll have to hold it there for a little while. This is where maybe a green stuff putty would come in good too. I should open a new bottle of glue. But yeah, there we go. There's one. The waist is the thickest part of the whole model. It's a vinyl model. And so you want to hold it down on the desk and you want to pierce it and go around. Keep your hands away from the blade and follow the line that they put here. And this part right here you're going to have to cut off as well. So there was a lot of trimming here to do, and I left this lip and inserted it like this. Now, if you have a problem with this, you can always take a hairdryer and soften it up, and you can get the two parts to mend together. So now I'm going to glue these two pieces together. So we're just letting some parts dry. We got his head on. I'm sure Bones appreciates that. And I'm going to put the arms on last. So far, very enjoyable. Like I said, you have to be very careful cutting the parts, and you may need to use a blow dryer. So So here's bones put together, Dr. McCoy, and you can put him on a stand like this. Okay, we still have to put his medical tricorder on here on the side, and we have to paint him. So we chose blue and white, and we got to lighten up the blue to get his shirt. I'm going to put it in here and mix it. And we're putting the white in. We just put the blue in. Okay, and then we're going to take some thinner. Put some thinner in there. Add some thinner to it. Okay. And mix this up. See that color right there? It's a little bit too dark. We're going to lighten it up with a little more white. So we got the paint in there. We're going to and I'm making a mess here as usual. If you get a blotch like that, take a cotton thing like this and just like that. Okay, so we got to do layers of blue, and that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to put that on, okay, and spray the boots. This is a pearl type black, and it should come out with like little shininess to it. I'm going to try to do the pants in a flatter black, hopefully. But actually, when you do a sealing, the sealant I use, the sealant is going to make it shiny. So I'm going to take a brush here, and I'm going to brush the pants like so. Okay. You want to hold them by the feet, and because that part is dry, the feet are dry, and you can turn them like so. Just go in here and cut in. You turn them, make sure you hold them, because if he falls over and you hit the blue, then you got to start all over again. Okay, so we're just gonna put the paint on there like so. Little at a time. You can do this a little time. You can, put it off to the side and get to it later, and do it a little at a time. That way you can think of the colors you want to do. Some of the colors, are dictated on the box. You can follow the box if you want. Just like that, see? Just like that. And his pants are all done. That's one part down. Then we go to the top, because his hair is black, and you just color the hair in. Sorry, my big hand's in the way. And for the sides, you want to go to a smaller brush. When you cut into here, you're going to go to a smaller brush. But to fill it in, you want to use something like that. Okay, a square brush. Keep holding him from the feet. Make sure you have him firmly in your fingers on the feet. Fill the hair in like so. So now we're doing his tricorder belt here, the medical belt. And it's got a little dot there, so we take a Q-tip from over here and we just go in there. Get it out of there. Okay, and just little at a time. I'm doing this freehand, so I'm not interlocking my fingers. A lot of times I'll interlock and support my fingers with each other to do detail painting, to help support the paintbrush and control it. So we made it around the back, and that's good. Not any mishaps. McCoy is all done. Bones is all painted up and finished. I'll give you a little close-up of it. His his medical tricorder is made out of a rubber. Actually, it's not vinyl. I don't know why they did that, but also the flap comes up. So in case you want to put the flap up, like he's reaching in to get something. There's the base. That looks like the transporter base. I'm gonna put some green stuff on there and put them on that base. And I haven't done that yet. So there he is. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you like, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell for more videos. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.